A tall order. A very difficult task. Something that is hard to do or hard to achieve. Balancing the all works is a tall order for me. We had to wake up at 4 a.m. That was a tall order. Chicken feed. A very small amount of money. My salary is chicken feed compared with hers. He offered me a job, but the salary was chicken feed. Early bird. A person who gets up or arrives early, or who does something before other people do. My daughter is an early bird, she wakes up at 6 a.m. I am always an early bird. Free spirit. A person who lives life in a very independent and carefree way. I am a free spirit, love to travel. I like to think of myself as a free spirit. Hush money. To money paid to someone to keep them silent about something, usually a secret, wrongdoing, or scandal. We heard, the officer received hush money from him. I give him hush money for not telling the truth. In full swing. Something is at its peak, fully active, or operating at maximum intensity. Our party is going on in full swing. The game was in full swing when I arrived on the field. In vogue. Something that is currently fashionable, popular, or trending. Torn pants are very much in vogue just now. This hairstyle is in vogue nowadays. Night owl. A person who stays awake late at night and feels more active or productive during night time. He is a night owl, he usually goes to bed late. The nurse is a night owl, working at night. On edge. Nervous, anxious, or tense about something that is about to happen. Don't be on edge. Everything is okay. She was really on edge before the interview. Red Letter Day. A very special, important, or memorable day. My son of birthday is a red letter day for me. Today is a red letter day. I started my journey towards my real career on this day. Small talk. Casual or light conversation about unimportant or non-serious topics. We met and had small talk at the gate. They have no small talk at lunch. Smart cookie. A very intelligent, clever, or quick-thinking person. We know. She is a smart cookie. He is a smart cookie. He has solved it. Sore loser. Someone who gets upset, angry, or complains when they lose at a game, competition, or argument instead of accepting it gracefully. Nobody wants to play cards with her because she is so sore loser. You should congratulate the winner team. Don't be a sore loser. White lie. A small or harmless lie that is told to avoid hurting someone's feeling or to prevent minor trouble. I told her at the party, "You look gorgeous," but it was just a white lie. She told me a white lie that she liked my dress.